Someone saw you in the presence of this player.
That character was obviously edited illegally. We cannot ignore this fact. However, we do not intend to cause you any trouble. Is this cat player male or female? We need more information. Where can we find that player? We won't inconvenience you any further. I promise you that.
He ran.
It's useless. I've set up a barrier. Your sprite Ocarina is useless here. Why do you run?
Because I think it's fun.
Is that the only reason?
You're not satisfied?
If you tell me what I want to know about the cat player character, I'll let your antics slide.
I have nothing to tell you.
Oh, you'll talk. I'll use my sword, if I must.
Do as you wish, then.
Always the rude one.
Oh, quite a little quandary you're in, huh? How's little Tsukasa? Can't question him?
We eliminate all characters who break the rules. There are no excuses.
Can you? Can you eliminate him?
The system administration has the power to do so.
Mm-hmm. That is, if those powers are used.
What is it you have to say?
That's what I'm telling you. You need to talk to little Tsukasa. Let's capture him. Tsukasa's not on his guard right now. He's seen around everywhere, yet still continues to do as he pleases. He's toting around the monster that defeated you, Sir Knight. It's going to his head.
Please, continue.
Just make it harder for Tsukasa to move around.
And your plan?
A wanted notice. Yeah, you could put a bounty on his head and make it into an event.
No, we can't.
Why not?
I can't do that.
You can, you can! Then eyewitness reports will come flocking in, which will allow you to determine his behavior pattern. You'd then be able to come up with a strategy against him. You can do it.
You must be the wave master that people have been talking about. And if I am, it's nothing personal. But now you must fight us. Are you sure? Excuse me? Right now, I'm not really in the mood. Well, we'll see about that now, won't we? Prepare yourself. Remember, I gave you fools a chance. What in the world? What is this? Go around it! Don't fight this thing! I suppose I'll end it about now.
Lady Subaru. If he has started to use the monster's power against players now...
Don't say it. If Zora is right and the Wave Master is still playing, considering his access restrictions, it means he is the only one in the world playing outside of the rules. He's outside of all of the system parameters. We need a plan. I would like to speak with him personally. The character called Tsukasa is now wanted under the name of the Crimson Knights on all servers of this universe. Capture and bind him.
That's fine with me.
Draw your swords! By the authority of the Crimson Knights, supporters of system administration, we will bind your character. You can cooperate and follow our orders. But if you don't...
You never get enough, do you?
What's this?
You want the Guardian to kill you again?
If that is your position, prepare for battle.
I'm not afraid. Is this your only barrier? You know if you fail to catch me soon, I'll leave.
Go around! Surround him!
Oh, that's enough. Call back the knights.
I will not take back an order once issued.
But that's just plain stupid!
Someone! I need just one person. If only we can bind him.